Everyone's talking about ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Gemini, but the truth is, the most disruptive AI tools aren't the ones you hear about every day. In this video, you'll discover 5 AI tools that are quietly transforming how we write code, research, and think, and yet most people have never even tried them. Miss them now, and you might be left behind. 5 AI tools changing the game in 2025. Think ChatGPT meets Google, but on steroids. Perplexity doesn't just answer your question, it cites live sources, shows related questions and updates with current info. Perfect for students, researchers, journalists. A bonus tip, use the co-pilot mode for deeper conversations. Want to turn a boring document into a stunning presentation, in 2 minutes. Gamma is the PowerPoint killer you didn't know you needed. It designs slides, writes the text, and lets you edit with AI prompts. Best part, it works straight from your browser. No install needed. Runway is making Hollywood-quality video editing accessible to creators. From text to video generation to background removal, green screen, motion tracking, it's pure sorcery. Bonus, you don't need a beefy PC, it runs in the cloud. Want to win every debate with science-backed answers? Consensus searches peer-reviewed papers, not random blogs, and gives you summaries you can actually understand. It's like Google Scholar, but usable. Rewind records everything you see and do on your Mac, and lets you search your entire screen history with natural language. Forgot that article you read 3 days ago? Rewind finds it. Think of it like time travel for your brain, but local, private, and encrypted. The AI race isn't just about big names, it's about who uses these tools before the rest of the world catches on. So, which tool blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more hidden gems like this, hit that subscribe button and join the future.